Hey YouTube, iProduction12 here. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the brand new LG G Watch. I just got this today. I pre-ordered it on the day it was announced at Google I/O. So this is the new LG G Watch, if you don't know, is one of the first smart watches to run Android Wear, the other being the Samsung Gear Live. I could have got that one for £10 more, something like that, but personally I just preferred this one. So on the front here we have a picture of the actual watch itself as well as the logo. On the sides we just have LG G Watch, Android Wear, LG logo, same thing again on there, and then just some information on there. So we're gonna go and open this up here by breaking this seal. So we'll just sort of break like that, I guess. Yeah, okay. And we should just be able to slide this up like so. And there we have the LG G Watch itself. So we'll just pull that out for now, see what else we have in the packaging. So yep, very excited to try that out. So in here we also have the charging cable as well as the charging cradle, which you just put that on when it's charging, and obviously a plug socket for USB, as well as a manual here, quick start guides, and that is everything else I think that's in there. So if we just look at the watch itself, I'm going to go set this up separately, so I'll do that in a separate video, maybe show you some more about it. But we just peel this bit off here, yeah, so I'm gonna go play around with this myself. I won't show this all in the video, but that is basically the LG G Watch. So if you liked it, make sure to subscribe. I'll have more videos on this as well as comparing it to the Pebble Steel, which I already have at the moment. And then so yep, that's it. I'll see you in this video. Peace.